He late to the party. Come on. Yeah, you gonna get it. The documentary. All right, so now we gotta put the 30s back on Mike for number 2. All right, gonna try to hurt us today. This him and Davis shit right here. Talking curls. Come on. Oh, Mike. Here you go. Money. Yeah. Catch me.
Go down, I go up.
What's on TV. Look at that, what's on TV. Got the Wolverines up there. Hey man, they might want to see that. Go back up. You going 40s or what you doing? Nah.
What are you doing?
I was doing 30s. We just getting this party started. Yeah. Let's go for 12.
Hey, I'm gonna get a little block.
All right, Mike a beast in this shit, man. Don't let him fool you. This is his stream. This is my weakness.
Do my.
Come on. Come on, Mike. There we go. How many was it?
11.
11? Okay. See, that's what I get for not counting. No, I would have been like, nope, one more, come on.
What's in the cup, man?
I love get right.
Get right.
Love get right.
Well, get right. Not can't get right, but get right.
Get right. Come on, Mike.
I see you. Come on.
One more straight.
Oh, somebody short out.
Come on, man.
You can leave the 30s on there. Yeah, y'all gonna make me. I can't drop back down.
Just say, I can.
I will.
There you go.
There you go. Yep. Easy. Now you can be here all day.
All day. Cuss us out tomorrow.
He ain't gonna Nah, I hit a little Orange Friday.
All right. So we'll do something. Yeah, come on. You got it.
Oh yeah, one more.
Right,
Come
that's
on.
right. It ain't over.
Still your set.
Come on. Wait, no.
I wish it was over.
Yeah, we thought we was gonna try to
Nah,
It's okay, you don't have to do that.
steal
one.
my set.
Let's go. Yeah.
Come on, man. Come on, one more.
Yep.
Yeah, there we go. All right, last one. Go till you can't go no more.
What's that?
Yeah.
See them arms shaking?
Yeah.
Shit. I told you, you gotta go till you can't go no more, man. Yeah, that's crazy.
I should have went lighter.
Come on. Come on, man.
Trying to keep
I
up
ain't
with
playing with you. Come on, I want to see some struggle. Come on. Come on, 2 more. Come on, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's when you know it hurt. Big bro over here. A big bro in the house. Big bro in the house.
Speaking of Jim, say that.
Oh, you got to meet my guy Mike. Mike, it's my big bro Kurt.
What's going on, man?
Mike O.
Hey, Kurt. Good to meet you.
Yeah. And, you know, trying to show him how to do it, man.
That's right,
One of the
that's
ones
right,
that got me
that's
started in the game right there.
Right.
Look, you never know who you're going to see when you show up in the gym. See, that's how we do, man. Guys doing things. All right.
Oh, he's got the grip. Let's go. Yeah. How'd that feel?
I felt good.
You're lying.
Yeah. Yeah.
I saw that speed walk.
Yeah. That was called power walking.
You know what? I'm just going to go try without the grips.
You gonna do what?
Try without the grips. I don't think I've done this full length.
Why not today?
Let's see what happens. If I get too heavy, I'll just drop it.
It's not heavy, is it?
Not yet.
Huh? Does it feel good?
Yeah.
It feel good? I'll ask you on the way back. Now you gotta come back this way now. Come on, you gotta catch her. Come on. Come on, Mike.
Yeah, this feels great.
Feels good? There you go. Yeah, that floor is a little different.
Oh my God. I've never done the whole length.
You said you never done the whole length, what?
Yeah, I've never done the whole length, and I've never done it without grips. So.
Yeah. But how did it feel doing the whole length?
Terrible. I could go up.
Oh shit.
Whoa!
Not today.
All right. So good thing you did it now, so we're gonna do it 2 more times. Yeah,
That's cool.
that's how we do.
What's the heaviest you've ever done with this?
With these, like 110. But the hooks, because I give Mike more credit than me on that one because he did it without hooks or wraps. So holding that weight, that shit is no joke.
Yeah, it's all about the angle.
Actually, the racket's ready now. Oh man, you can do another one down the back. You can do another one down the back.
Oh yeah, I got one more.
No, I'm talking about back to back.
Oh, I could, but it ain't gonna happen.
That way to rip your arms off. Yeah.
You gonna get your wraps?
Oh, my go. I moved that bar.
Hey, you know I ain't going.
I moved that bar out of the way.
Okay.
That trip hazard?
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
That's the last thing I need to do is go down. Knees already. Let's go, Mike. Good money, baby. Good money. Halfway there, buddy. Halfway there. Let's go, Mike. Come on. Come on. You gotta outwalk the old man. Come on. Come on. Let's go, Mike. Come on.
Finish.
Finish. Finish. Good set. Good set.
So, this last one.
Oh, here you go.
What you want to do?
Here you go.
You already know how my brain works. Last one.
Here we go.
Oh my God.
Till you have to put it down. So I recommend putting some straps on.
You do what?
You keep walking until you can't walk no more.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's good advice.
All right, so this gonna hurt, y'all. This one about to hurt.
So you can't walk. Is that what he said?
Till you can't walk no more.
Hey, something wrong with him.
This ain't right. Something doesn't feel right about this.
Something says he's gonna spend a lot of time in the office tomorrow.
Man.
I'm changing the song from Yay Not Crazy to Tay Not Crazy. Let's get it.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. Good set. Come on. Come on. We just getting started, baby. Come on. Let's go, buddy.
Woo, feels good.
Come on. It's light, buddy. It's light. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's get another down. You started it, you gotta finish it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on.
Tay Not Crazy.
Fourth quarter. Fourth quarter, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. All the way through, baby. All the way through. Woo.
3 times? What did he do?
Get the ice out, down and back twice.
Was it twice?
Don't look shocked.
Come on, Mike. Come on.
Woo.
Mike's on the fucking camera.
Hey, what's in that white cup?
No.
Let's go, Mike.
Man. All right, let me get the
Yeah, you gotta find that song.
K Not Crazy. I got it. All right.
You're not crazy. Yeah.
There you go. That's the cut.
That's what motivates you.
That's what motivates me, man.
Let's go, buddy.
Come on, believe it, envision it, know what you already gonna do. See it and make it happen.
Let's go, Mike. Let's go. Just get started, Mike. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Let's go. Easy money, baby. It's easy money. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go, Doc.
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
Now we working now, Mike, come on.
Put in that work, baby. Come on. Let's go, Mike. Come on. Third quarter. Come on. Come on. Fourth quarter, Mike. Let's go. Fourth quarter. Separate the sheet. Come on. There you go. You got it. Come on. You better not drop my damn weight. Come on.
He almost made it. Hey, man.
I didn't give up a rap game.
That's good shit.
Good set, Mike.
All right.
Good set.
Yeah, you shot
Good
it.
set.
All right, y'all. That was another workout with guys doing things with Tay and Trey. As you can tell, we out of breath. They're down there kill me, but we did finish it. So look, that first video was just a start. Y'all follow the journey.
Keep going, baby. Hey, hopefully this helped you guys want to get off that couch and come in and maybe join us one day. Just let us know. How you feel, Mike?
I'm doing all right.
It's just another day for him.
Just another day. That's what we do.
All right, facts. Peace.
Peace.